In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get 3D perfect looking text in Adobe Photoshop in less than 1 minute completely for free. Once you have the text on the screen, right click blending options, click bevel, contour, and texture. And these are the settings. Next, add a drop shadow by clicking the check mark. And these are the settings. Click OK. Next, click Ctrl T on your keyboard and click the up arrow and right once. So up and right, or you can do up and left and then click the check mark. Next step is to click Ctrl Shift Alt T on your keyboard for Windows. And that will duplicate that text. Do this according to how you like. 6 to 12 is the magic number, or you can do 24 or more. Next, what you want to do is click on the text, all the way down to the bottom of the text of where you started, holding down Shift and clicking, so it highlights everything, and then right click, and click Convert to Smart Object. And there you go, Control T, and this is your final version of the text. Or should I say, this is the before, and this is the after. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more free Adobe Photoshop video editing and photo editing tutorials.